I've told those folks, do not panic. We are going to figure that out. But going forward, people need to read fine print in those kinds of bills, and we may even end that type of variable plan because people were surprised. We have in Texas, you can choose your energy plan, and most people have a fixed rate. If they had a fixed rate per kilowatt hour, their rates aren't going up. Now, their bill may be up because they used more energy because they had the heat up when they got the power back, but the people who are getting those big bills are people who gambled on a very, very low rate, and it would go up with the power.
For Sunday, for power, just for our regular stuff, $2,568. $2,568. There is what they told me to do was we should turn the power totally off and we should go to a hotel.
No one reached out to me and said, as a senior citizen, are you willing to take a chance on your survival in exchange for keeping the America that all America loves for your children and grandchildren? And if that's the exchange, I'm all in. And that doesn't make me noble or brave or anything like that. I just think there are lots of grandparents out there in this country, like me, I have 6 grandchildren, that what we all care about and what we love more than anything are those children.